So this is our signal generator output. This is our scope input. These two black leads are already connected even before I touch them. Nothing really changes for what you care about when we connect those. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to connect both of those, both my scope probe and my signal generator leads, onto a resistor, which is off screen. And they're just connected just straight. So I'm just using the resistor as a linking point. And what we should be able to do here, that you'll see, and we'll do this in real time, is if I do this output, all of a sudden something should pop up here. And sure enough, it does. It changed. It's an actual signal. Now, it looks kind of blurry and offset. This yellow marker here is what we care about. That's our 0 point, okay? And so we're selected on channel 1. I can move this down. And that position, what it's doing is it's changing the marker. We need to wait for it a little bit. It's way off the screen now. Okay? And I think it went up. So one of the problems that you have with these, oh, there's no channel at all. It turned it off. One of the problems that you have with these is that you don't know what's there. So at 1 volt, there we go. You don't know where your signal might be. So I'm going to put this down here somewhere about there. And then you can see it's filling up vertically a lot. And so I'm going to crank it down by a step. We'll just go down to that 1 step so that it's at the 5 volt per division. I can bring this back up here. Okay. And now you can see there's actually a waveform in there. What we've got is a 200 hertz sine wave. And you can see as I zoom in. Now, that's really good. If we wanted to, we could move our horizontal position back and forth. This one moves our vertical position up and down. And then these two change scale. So that's the main thing. Over here on the signal generator, we can change some things on the signal generator, such as my frequency. If I wanted to increase my frequency, you can see it's changing my frequency, but I'm not changing anything on the scope. I can change my amplitude. And so you can see I'm changing the amplitude without changing anything on the scope because it's actually reading the signal. It's giving us in that scale. So that's the basic idea between both of those. These two are going to be your friend.